Hello everyone, Namaskar Monday. Welcome back to my channel and in the most awaited video. So I am Pranjal Rajude, also known by Sakshi Rajude, a second year MBBS student of Anna Medical College, Mauritius. If you're considering about going abroad for MBBS study or curious about how much it costs, then this video is for you all. It will be a little long video, so I'll be dividing it into three parts. Part 1 for overview and introduction of MBBS in Mauritius. Part 2 will be about the college, that's the duration of course, then timing, then uniform, eligibility criteria, and etc. Part 3, we will be talking about the fee structure. So for part 1 and part 2, I will be covering in this video, and for part 3, we'll be making another video. So let's start with the part 1, that's the overview and introduction of MBBS in Mauritius. Coming to the first part, I'm studying in Anna Medical College, Mauritius, as I've told you before. It was founded 10 years ago and it has excellent members of faculty like food teaching staff. Also, the FMG clearing passing rate here is very good. So, why MBBS in Mauritius? Like, why I preferred coming to Mauritius for MBBS study? Well, before coming to here, I have done much research for MBBS in different countries. And what all I found different here, what are the advantages of coming here? The points are first, here the faculty is mostly from India and some are from Mauritius too. Second, the syllabus or the portion here is MCI guided. So, like, it is the only foreign university to offer you MCI guided syllabus. Like, the same books as you study in India, you have to study here, the same subjects also. There is no extra subject or any extra need for local language to be learned. Next, that is the third point. The subjects and books are same as I told you. Fourth, Mauritius has a good relationship with Indian government, good terms. So there is no chance of any war. In fact, the environment here is quite good and comfortable. Fifth point, there is a most important point about the internship. So for our year, when we came here, the internship thing was not announced. Even when we took admission here, that time the draft was not released. But after that, as per NMC guidelines or NMC requirements, the foreign medical student has to do 1 year internship in the foreign country he or she is studying from. So Anna Medical College provides you internship for 1 year. Also, it has a high passing percentage in FMG or USMLE. The last point, the students here are from India, South Africa, Australia, Mauritius, and USA. Let's go to our second part, that's about the college. So, first comes eligibility criteria. I have made a short on this. Also, I will explain you here. So, the first criteria is NEET qualified. The student must be, he or she must have NEET qualifying marks. Second point, 12 PCB marks in that, board marks in that. They should have minimum 60 marks in individual subjects. That's for physics, chemistry, and biology. And the last criteria, it's like the minimum age of the student should be 17 years. Let's go to the next point. That's about the uniform. So our college has a formal dress code. That's blue shirt, which is a formal shirt with a gray or black color pants or trousers, and tie is optional. Shoes can be of gray or black color. Then you must carry two white coats that's needed for clinical postings and practicals. Then our next point is about the timing of the college. So college timing is the college starts at 8:30 a.m. and its last lecture ends at 4:30 p.m. 8 to 8:30 we have our breakfast, and from 12:30 to 1:30 we have our lunch break. College it's from Monday to Friday, so Saturday Sunday is off. Third point is about the course duration. So MBBS course in Mauritius is of total 6 years, 5 years plus 1 year internship. Also, as I told you, Anna Medical College is providing 1 year internship that is required for foreign medical students, graduating foreign medical students as per NMC requirements. It is also WHO recognized college. Fourth point is about the postings and practicals. So from sixth semester, we have our postings or clinical postings in Flag Hospital, which is of which is one of the five government hospitals of government of Mauritius. Then fifth is about the professors and staffs. Professors in our college are mostly from India, as I've told you. That's from various states like Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Chennai, etc., and from Mauritius also. sixth point is about the university holidays. We get our university holidays in month of December to Jan for 1 month. Seventh is about the total subjects and total semesters in MBBS course here. So we will divide semesters as per the years first, and I will be talking about the subjects. So first year will be of 2 semesters, 1 semester of 6 months each. So for first year of 2 semesters, that's 1 year. Second year will be of 3 semesters. So it will be of 1.5 year, which is a quite long year, second year. Third year is of 2 semesters. Fourth year is of 1 semester only. That's for 6 months only. And fifth year is of 2 semesters. So total it's of 5 years of course. Then subjects. First year we will have anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. Second year we will be having forensic medicine and toxicology, microbiology, pharmacology, and pathology. Third year we will be having ENT, ophthalm, and community medicine. Fourth year we'll be having ortho and pediatrics. And last year we'll be having our gynae, obs and gynae, surgery and medicine. So these are the division of subjects with each year. Let's go to our next point about the strength, total number of strength of the class. So we'll be having 2 batches each year of total 75 students each batch. Then eighth point is about accommodation. So our college provides us hostel for accommodation, and it's like mentioned in our fee structure. The charges are mentioned fee structure. There are different hostels for boys and girls. Then about the college campus, we have two college building. One is in Mountain Blanche and one is in Flag. The Mountain Blanche MB campus is the main building where we will have our first and second year classes. And after second year, we will be shifted to Flag building, that's NX building, which is near to the Flag Hospital, where we will have the postings. So from second, like 6 semesters, after second year will be shifted. So from 6 semester, we will have a posting, so we will be shifted there only. So that's all for part 2. Thank you.